Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SB Vlogs. Today I'll be going to a very interesting place. It's kind of a little forest area and it'll be a kind of motor vlogging. So stay tuned, watch the full video. Here we go. And it's for our first place, and guys, it's gonna be amazing place. Just watch the videos and I hope you guys like it. And yes, this is our ride for today. It's actually my dad's bike, so let's ride it carefully, and it's one more surprise video that's coming up, so stay tuned.
So here you go guys, to this place. So let me just say you a little bit about this place. Basically we call this place as Hathi Bagan because the place where I am going right now, you'll find a lot of wild elephants. And it's actually not very safe place, but then let's go. It's quite beautiful out there.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you are real right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling, and nothing got it feel like a slim night.
Here we come. This was the place I was talking about. You can see how beautiful it looks. So I was talking about elephants. So there you can see this forest. This is the place where a lot of elephants come out. It's basically their home. So we won't wait here for a long time. We will just leave soon so that we don't face elephants. So I'm gonna climb in that place, in that kind of lighthouse, and show you a little view of it. So guys, here I'm standing in this kind of lighthouse, watchtower it is. So you can see I don't want to jump around here. If I do, I might just fall down and break my leg. So guys, I hope you like the place. It's really peace in here, and if you come here in the morning time, that's actually the best time to spend time out here. Just sit alone and just listen to some music, and yeah, it will be an amazing time. You can just see where I'm sitting. It doesn't look very safe. You can also go up through this kind of stairs. Looks dangerous, but so I'm not gonna take such risk. I'll just sit here and enjoy this beautiful place. Just enjoy the scene. Yeah. So guys, that's it for the day. We'll head towards our home. I hope you like this place. That's my brother, and so this is the place again. So we will leave and see you in the next video. So guys, here we come to our home. I actually wanted to show you the sunset at that point. It actually looks beautiful, guys, trust me. But then unfortunately we were late, so if possible we'll go again, maybe during around morning time, so that I can show you the sunrise. It's actually a really beautiful place out there. And yeah, if you like the video, give a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give a dislike, so that I get to know how to make my content more interesting way. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Give your suggestions in the comment box, so that I get to know what else to improve. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you. Good night.